Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 times 2 power x minus 3 times 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 224. So let's start with the today's video solution. And we have to find the value of x. So we can write it as 5 times 2 power x minus 3 times 2 power x times 1 by 2 is equals to 224. Because according to exponent rule, x power m minus n, we can write it as x power m divided by x power n. Now, we can take 2 power x as common. So what is left? 5 minus 3 times 1 is 3 by 2 is equals to 224. Now if I'll take the LCM, so LCM is 2 and here is 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is equals to 224. So 2 power x times 10 minus 3 is 7 by 2 is equals to 224. Now I'm going to multiply by 2 by 7 both sides. So we can eliminate this. So the value of 2 power x is equals to, we can eliminate 7. With 224, we get 7 times 3 is 21 and 7 times 2 is 14. 32 times 2. So 2 power x is equals to 32. We can write it as 2 power 5 times 2 power 1. And according to exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So 2 power x is equals to 2 power 5 plus 1. So 2 power x is equals to 2 power 6. And if we compare both sides, the value of x is 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.